Hey, this is Chapter Noah. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up your WordPress website the correct way at first. Most people just show you how to set up your WordPress website, meaning how to install it. That's it, and they go, here's your website, you're done. And they show you a few little things. I'm going to show you some basic settings in cPanel that you need to set up to make sure your hosting has things set up right. If not, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. It's going to be very simple. It's not going to be hard at all, but I want to make sure you're getting the correct information, because most videos out there that show you how to install WordPress basically just show you a few things, then you run into problems and you go, okay, how am I going to fix this? And then you look for videos and you can never find it because you're trying to figure out what to type in to do it. So I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in the basic way and a few settings the basic way, and it's going to allow you to do it the right way, not the wrong way, how most people show you in most videos. And that's what you're going to see with most of my videos. From now on, I'm going to show you more of like if I was a beginner, I'm going to teach you like that, because I want to make sure that you don't have any kind of questions. And if you do, you can post them below this video in the comments and I'll get back to you. But I want to make sure that you have the right things in the beginning when you set up, because if you don't do a few of these settings in the beginning in your setting in WordPress, you're going to run into problems, because you might want to change a few things, and if you want to change those things, like permalinks, it could mess up your whole site. So I'm going to make sure that you know exactly what to do when you first install your WordPress website and some basic settings, okay? So once you're in your cPanel account right here, your hosting account will give this to you. What I'm going to do is I want you to come down right here, look for software, click on Site Software, click on the WordPress. Some might look a little bit different, but it's basically really simple. You just want to look for WordPress under the software, and then you just want to click on Install. So you click Install, and literally your WordPress website is installed. It really is that simple. Don't let anybody tell you it's that hard, okay? It really is that simple, as long as you have the information to set it up like that, like to do it automatic. Now what you'll do is, depending on how your system is set up in your cPanel, this is how they'll give you the link. This is the site that I'm going to be using, wptestingwebsite.com. This is what I'm going to do. I have this website set up just for you guys, so when I'm showing you how to do different things, it will be on this website, so you guys can always go back to it. Even if I don't have a video going to it, you can kind of just look how things are, but this is the site I'm going to use. What you want to do is you want to add an S right there. You want to add the www dot there. And then right here, after the / you want to put wp-admin. All right. To save this information, this is your username. This is your password right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. Then we want to come right over here. I already had one site set up before, but we'll come over here, click right here. Oops. All right, so we'll click right here. Here's your site. Now what you do is you come back over here. You take your username. Come right here, go back over here. Just make sure you save your information in a folder that you're going to know where to find things. So let's just save this right here. Let's go here, click on remember it. Here we are, we're logged in. Okay. Right here, you want to make sure that you update your WordPress website right away. So just click on update now. Very simple. All right, now we'll come back. Let's see, we'll save the password here. So we come back over here to make sure we do all the updates that WordPress says to do, to make sure our site's up to date. Let's update the themes, the WordPress themes that come with it. And I just want to show you something really simple, okay? This is the site that you're going to get with the theme, depending on the year it is. This is 2021, so this is the theme for 2021. Very simple. They just have some basic settings. But what I want you to do now is, okay, I want you to go back to cPanel. All right, so make sure you have this information saved. I want you to come up here. I want you to come back down here to the software in your cPanel. I want you to come right down here to multi-PHP INI editor. Click on that. These are the settings that I'm talking about right here. What I want you to do is I want you to pick the domain name that we're talking about here. This is going to show some settings right here. These settings right here are not good. You're going to run into some problems. So what I want you to do is, I have a page right here, open up to another cPanel account so I can show you. This is what I want you to enter in this particular thing called multi-PHP INI editor, okay? So we'll go right over here, and it says 30,000, 30,000. So we'll go back over here. We'll just 1, 2, 3. We'll just make this right here 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to turn this one to another 0 to make it 10,000. All right, so now we're going to go back over here. All right, this right here is going to be 1,024. So we'll go back over to this one right here. We're going to change this one right here, the 8 right here, we're going to change that to 60. All right, and then this right here, the 1400, let's go back over here. We're going to leave it at 1400, and then right down here, the maximum size of upload, we're going to change this to 128. They set it at sometimes at 2, which is going to cause you some serious problems. All you do is you click apply. Literally, you're done. What you need to do is, most of the time it's set up this way in your cPanel. It should already have the secure HTTPS. Some of them do not. So what you do is you come right under here to domain names. You click on domains. You come right over here and you click on. This will automatically redirect all your URLs to go to the secure HTTPS, okay? No one shows you this stuff because they just show you the basic settings. I know this might be over your head in some ways, but me showing you this when you're logged in your cPanel, you'll be able to figure this out. It might be scary the first time, but literally it will be easy over time, okay? So let me just close this out right here. So now what I want to do is, there's a few basic settings that you need to do that are extremely important, okay? So let's come down here to settings, general, okay? This is where you fill out your site title. So, you can figure out whatever you want to do. This site of mine right here, I'm just using this so I can actually train you guys and show you what to do. So I'm just going to call it what it is. So we're just going to do WP testing website, and I'm just going to put something right here. It says learn how to use WordPress. Okay, then like I was telling you before, what you need to do, all right, let's just save this right here. Oops, let's go back right here. Alright, so let's go back to settings right here. Alright, so WordPress was being a pain for a second. So let's just go back here. So we'll go right here. WP testing website. This is, like I said, I'm just doing this for my site just to show you, but you'll put whatever site title you want to put for yours. Learn how to use WordPress. Alright, let me correct these spellings here. Alright, so we click on save. Alright, now it's saved. What we want to do is we want to put the S right here. We want to put the www dot right there. You can just copy this right here. Alright, now it's logged you out because you just changed over to the secure, okay? Now it's all secure. So you come over here, you get your information right here, your username. If you have it saved, you won't need to do this. So let's just go like this. You're logged back in, okay? So you can just dismiss this right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. Alright, let's see here. Let's go back down to Permalinks. Okay, when you first set up your first site, this is what it's going to look like. It's a big mess, and it's just set up the way WordPress thinks you should set up. But what this does is if you leave it like this with year, month, and day and post name and all that, what happens is you create a whole bunch of database strings. I know this sounds confusing to you, and this will make your website have serious problems the bigger and bigger it gets unless you know what you're doing. I want you to set it up the correct way that's going to help you with SEO. So what you're going to do is, you see right here, you can just click on these right here. So what I want you to do first is I want you to click category, and then I want you to click on post name. Then we click save. So what that does now is, let's say you create we'll come over here and I'll show you. So let's just say you come over here to your posts, right? Let's go over your categories, and let's say we create one here, and we're going to call this Learn WordPress. Alright, so we put Learn WordPress here. Let me just capitalize that. You can do whatever you want here. I just like the capitals with everything there. I'm just going to copy this right here, paste the same thing in there. This is a new category. So let's just say we make a post. Let's just go to one of the samples here. So this is the hello. So let's just go, we're going to act like we're going to go in here. Now this is where you would go in. I'm not going to get into detail, but what you can do is you can see all these right here, your permalinks, right? And then you can look at your category. It's unlisted right now, but let's say you click on this one that we just made. All right, so let me close that out here. We're going to click update. Then what we want to do is we want to preview it, okay? So we're just going to go preview. Okay, so if we come over here, you can see right here. So let's go back to the hello. So we go right here, and if you see right here, like I was telling you, here's your domain name, and then / learn-WordPress, and then the name of the actual post you have. So it literally is that simple. Like I said, I'm not going to get into a lot of detail. I just wanted to show you basically just the basic settings of what you need to do. In the next video I'm going to show you which different plugins are extremely important for you to use to make sure your WordPress website is secure, okay? I want to make sure that you're not going to get your site hacked. But if you want to learn more in-depth details on, installing WordPress manually in many different ways, and other different settings within the WordPress settings, I want to give you today access to my free WordPress training. It's called WPLearning101.com, okay? There'll be a link below this video. Just click on it. You can watch the video right here. It'll kind of give you an idea of what we're going to do for you. But it's basically 31 WordPress videos that are going to show you step by step on how to set up your WordPress website. It's going to go into depth, like I was telling you. It's going to go into each one of these topics right here, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. It's going to explain WordPress plugins, the appearance, about themes and all this stuff. It's going to show you all the different details. I don't want to overwhelm you here because, like I said, this video is all about how to install WordPress and a few of the basic settings the right way, and a few of the basic settings in your cPanel to make sure that your site is set up and ready to go so you don't run into any kind of problems that you most likely will if you don't make those few changes that we showed you, okay? So all you need to do, you can go through the website right here, our WP Learning 101, and you can, watch some videos. Here's some paid different things if you want to learn even more about Elementor, how to secure your WordPress website even better with 26 videos, 17 videos right here for Elementor, and how to speed up your site, and then how to secure it. These are paid ones. You don't need to buy those at all. You can just sign up for our free service right here. You just click Start Learning, and literally you fill in your information. It costs you nothing, and once you sign up, you will get literally free instant access. And if you have any questions, you can write us and let us know. But like I said, I just wanted to show you today how to install WordPress the simplest way, and a few settings the correct way so you don't run into problems. But like I said, this is Chad Pornova. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is free training. We have it below this video that you'll be able to click on the link. It will take you right here. Just sign up for it. And if you have any questions or anything like that, please write us and let us know below in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But this is Chad Pornova. I hope you enjoyed how to install WordPress and basic settings the right way. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.